Yo guys, I literally left my house without the vlog camera. I was gonna carry my other camera too, I don't know how I ended up leaving it. But anyway, we're at this restaurant called the Porch. It's on Phoenix Avenue, Kingston. It's supposed to be like uptown. Yeah, so we're having a kind of like a date night now. Yeah, I don't know, Judah is out on a boat styled by. Yeah. It's a vibe. Yeah, it's a really nice little spot so far. The highlight, people have been taking a lot of Instagram photos with this thing here. Yeah, do bear in mind I'm on the iPhone, so maybe the quality isn't as great, but just want to keep you guys in tune to how it is out. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. What's up with you guys? And we are always smiling. So right now, it's a date night. We're at this restaurant called the Porch. You know, in Jamaica, Kingston, there's always a new restaurant and everybody jumps on it. So I'm here to actually see if the food is actually worth it. Because it's uptown place, you know. Phoenix Avenue. When they come here, they don't ask if you want a glass of wine or if you want a bottle. But anyway, we're here with Judah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Alright, Titi, I drop out that she must think about.
Whose fault is that?
Huh?
Whose fault is that?
Your fault. Am I Titi or your Titi?
What did you buy the outfit, babe?
Your Titi is supposed to can't manage yourself. Of course, menu looks pretty good. I think we ordered, what you call it?
Excuse me?
What you call it? Cupcake Moscato. So I'm gonna look at the menu and see what I want. You guys know, it's either gonna be steak or lobster or something like that. I'm not even sure. Or maybe salmon, let's see. Alright, I think I've decided what I wanted, and that's filet mignon. That's 3,150, which is in essence about 28 US dollars. So yeah, that's pretty much the vibe. So Judah is currently making jottings for our 2020 plans. How cute.
You remember the list over here for 2020?
Alright, so we're about to try this meal. To be quite honest, this is a filet mignon. I think it's the same thing that I ordered in Mexico. I don't know if they're gonna even like come as close to the food of Mexico. I really hope they do. So I'm gonna let you guys know if it's worth it. And Judah ordered burger. Burger on a date night is just like different, but it looks pretty good. Honestly, it looks pretty good. And if she likes it, then you know it's a good burger. Feed me like a birdie. Sauce is good, right? Alright, so in terms of the steak, yeah, the sauce is really good. The texture of the steak is really good as well. And that's the char flavor to it. Only one thing I don't really like is when you have soft meats and then you have soft sides. Like mashed potato, and yeah, not really working with that, but it tastes like mashed potato. And the vegetables seem to be al dente, like nice little crisp to it, so I like that as well. So that's a good vibe. But the sauce is really good. The sauce tastes almost like sorrel with a little bit of beer in it. Yeah, it's a really good vibe so far.
Feed my little birdie.
Wow. The burger had a lot of flavor. A lot of flavor going on there. Well seasoned. I like that. So they gave Judah a deconstructed burger. And she never knows the top of her burger today.
Like all this time, I just thought it was good. I didn't see it.
It's a burger.
No, I was like, is there thing here or just spin it? Oh.
Wow. Alright, so here at the Porch, one of the main highlights is a swing seat or whatever you want to call it, that everyone is just fond of going there and taking photos. So like, I've seen a countless amount of persons coming and taking photos, but I think that's one of the cool things with I think Jamaican visitors normally do. They normally find like a gimmick, and then people, you know, just catch on to it, and you know, yeah, it's almost like TGI. Everybody goes to TGI and they take a picture of the ceiling, the Rubik's cube looking ceiling. I never get it, but yeah.
You can work all day, like no complaints. So like I did have him screwing the, what you call it, the panel.
Alright guys, so we already just ate. Food was pretty good. Can't complain. Nice little vibe. I like the atmosphere, the fact that it's not a big restaurant and it's not small either, so you feel alive, people having conversations, people are close by, and yeah, nice music in the background, plus the waterfalls. I don't know about you, but I really love the sound of running water. Yeah, so far it's been a vibe. We didn't get no dessert. We just got the main and a bottle of wine.